Hello and welcome. I cracked my dental implant bridges on a chocolate chip cookie, and I want to share with you my experience so that you can avoid it happening to yourselves in the future. I have 3D printed all-in-4 style dental implant bridges, and yesterday morning I went to go and eat a chocolate chip cookie, and mid-bite I felt a snap, and I thought, oh no, Luke, what did you just do? I felt with my tongue a little crack along the dental implant bridge, and I can feel it move and wiggle a little bit on one side. It almost feels as if a loose tooth would feel in your mouth, being that I have a cracked part of my dental bridge. Now, this dental bridge set is my temporaries. They are not the full strength of a zirconia version style. I will be getting those in the future, but for now I just have temporaries put in. And so I snapped my temporaries. And I can kind of show you here. You can see I'll kind of wiggle it a little bit. You can kind of see there's a little crack. But I straight snapped the implant in between the third and fourth. So there's just one screw on this little part here. And so I'm going to have to get the whole lower replaced and fixed. And that is because I wasn't careful enough with the items that I was eating. There was a hard piece of chocolate chip in that cookie, and that cracked my lower bridge. So I've talked to my periodontist and have an appointment scheduled to get another bridge printed and set. So I'll keep you guys updated with how that goes. But for now, I wanted to share with you how stupid I am that I broke my dental bridge. So it is possible to do. You definitely want to be cautious with the types of foods that you are eating. I am a little over 2 months post-op, so I thought that I'd be safe eating harder style foods, but I should have been a little bit more cautious with the food items I was choosing. So now I will have to deal with getting my lowers replaced and have a whole new set printed up. And I will keep you guys posted along for that journey. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments. This doesn't feel much different than a loose tooth would feel. The doctor did tell me to be cautious because there can be sharp edges when there is a snap like this in your dental bridge. And you definitely want to see the dentist as soon as possible to get that fixed after a situation like this does occur. For me, it happened during the weekend, so I kind of got to wait until this next week here to get that taken care of. But that is my experience with a broken dental implant. It's fractured and it's loose, and I have to get it fixed now. So be careful and don't eat anything hard for at least 2 months. I guess I'll keep you posted and see how this goes. So thank you for watching, and you guys have a wonderful day.